Okay, I'm going to teach you the literally easiest way to make a clicker in this game. And I'll show you the link of the Scratch game after. So, you want to delete your Sprite 1 because nothing's trash. Anyway, now we want to go and click this choose Sprite. You can choose from there, or you can upload it, or you can just draw it, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make it a little button like that. So you have your thing right here. But it's a little too big because we're going to want something else, like the upgrades. So you're going to select all of it in here, like that. So it'll look like that. Okay, so now it's the coding for this button. What we're going to want it to do is when this sprite is clicked, you want to go and click change my variable by 1. But we don't want it to change my variable, so you're going to make a variable and call it clicker points. Okay, so I made the variable called clicker points. And make sure you don't want it to be on a check mark. And now you want to just change this to clicker points. So change clicker points by 1. But what about the multiplier? So make a variable called multipliers. Okay, we have also a variable called multipliers. So make sure it's off checked. Now we got to make another part of the code. So go down and get this little star one. You want to go down and put in the number 1 right there. And go into your multipliers and put, like that, and bam. So put that in and bam, change clicker points by multiplier. But multiplier equals 0, so we need to do when thing clicked, we need to make it where it will set multiplier to 1. Like that. Perfect. So now we can try it, but we need to have clicker points on. So let's see. Oh, see, it's working. But we need the thing to be infinitely. So you also want to go and get green when green flag is clicked and just put forever. So the game will just stay on. Bam, perfect. We also want to do when thing is clicked, set clicker points to 1, like that. Set clicker points to 1. Do not put it, we can just, hold on, this is the forever there. So now, perfect. Oh wait, to 0, not 1. There, 0. So now, we have this. We need to make it where you can do the multiplier. So we have to do something. We need to make another sprite. So we're gonna make another sprite. We're just gonna make it a different color this time. It's gonna be like this. And I'm gonna do it where to get a multiplier, it'll cost $10. Because getting points is kind of easy. So now it will be $10. This is just a simple, so I may do more an advanced one. So now we have this, and we're going to grab it and shrink it. Come on, shrink. Can't shrink. Come on. There. And I didn't select the cache. There, perfect. So now we have like 2 buttons. They're like really similar. So like this. So now we need to do something with this to do the multiply. So to do that, we're going to do, when this sprite is clicked, we're going to scroll down to the change. We're going to put it to multiplier. Change multiplier by 1. But we can't do that yet because we need to have an if. We need an if. So So put in if then, and we're going to go down and put in the alligator that's looking to the left. So we have these. You're going to put the change multiplier inside. But you also want to do change clicker points inside by -10. So you gotta put this in now. And you gotta go to grab the clicker points. And see, it's 50, you want to change that to 10. So now our thing's done. We have the upgrades. Bam. Oh, is it not working? Here, we gotta check. Multiplier. Bam. Yeah, it's working. See? See, this is kind of cool, right? You can do these really easily. So, yeah. That's a really simple way on how to do this. Can't hold it, but this is a pretty good way. If you want to, you can add sound, but yeah. See you in the next video.